So here we have a rather sun-bleached 2013 Toyota AYGO 1 litre petrol engine with 62,000 miles on it. One of the items I'll be changing today in the service is the air filter, which is in this box here. So to start with, I'm going to release these clips here. We've got 4 of them, one's tucked under the back. Just need to pull those off. Down this side we've got an emissions hose, which that's just like a wire spring clip. You can squeeze them together with your fingers, the ears on there. And on the inlet it's got another wire clip which we may need to squeeze together. It might just slide off. Yeah, which it did. So that's fairly easy to remove. You can see the air filter's pretty black. That hasn't been changed for a while. It should just pull it out. That's it. One thing to check before you go any further, make sure there's no debris in the airbox. That looks pretty good, to be fair, but if there is bits and pieces, if there are bits and pieces in there, you can just get a hoover and hoover them out, or blow it out with an airline. So you can probably see how mucky the old air filter is there, for the dust and soot and little bits and pieces. Right, I'll go ahead and pop the new one in. Now that's in, we'll put the box back together, which is just the reverse of the removal, luckily. So I will squeeze these clips together and get the hoses lined back up and on. And down the back there. And pop these clips back over. That's a bit tricky, that back one. That's it. There, a nice straightforward, easy swap over to do. Hopefully you find that useful. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.